aggression, blame, criticism, write it down. Fright is withdrawal, avoidance, escape, please write it down. Freeze means somebody get paralyzed, or paralyzed means not responding, not able to like eat or something. This freeze response. Then fawn, like people start, like if you scold a child, what the child will do, child will come again and then like try to please, and that is the response of some partners also. Even if you are angry, they try to, okay, sometime I'll make something good and give, so that the people are like calm down. So this is something people's response that am I audible?
Yes, ma'am, you're audible.
Okay. My screen is visible?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you, Anita. So we are going to start with this. This is my trademark, my prana abundance alignment. This is for nervous system regulation, and most of my workshops with corporate and schools and all, if you see and if you follow me on LinkedIn, so I do neurological conditioning. So NeuroCoaching is also one part of my work, where people, those who are in corporate and all, they just want to learn that how to handle stress or burnout. So that is one program. Even for couple, I am using the same practice. There are like one of my best selling workshop is receiving abundance mindset. So generally when people think about abundance, they just think about money. So abundance is having a feel that I have more than what I want, that I have more than what I deserve. It can be love, it can be money, it can be knowledge, or it can be anything. So when this feeling comes in our mind that whatever I have is more than what I want and more than what I deserve, automatically you feel safe, right? So I have enough money, I feel safe. Your nervous system is calmed down. So this is something, an alignment program, and people have magical result with that. Yesterday also I was telling you the same thing. So when there is something positive happening, when your mindset is positive, it has ripple effect. So it is going to affect your personal life, it's going to affect your professional life. So when we align, so money is the byproduct, because now you're happy in your relationship. Now you're happy. You're even many people have found out that like their health is better. So our nervous system also affected, like autoimmune or any problem in the endocrine. And I think because if you know me, that I'm a nutritionist first and the psychologist later. So in that also I have found out that many things, the changes we are feeling, that after that 21 days program, the health has improved, the profession has improved, the personal life has improved. So it is a big program, and I utilize this whenever I am doing my one-to-one session, that I am utilizing this framework that I have created. So it's a 7-step framework that I have created, and then I utilize in my sessions also. So attach